Yeah, look at him, the bird brain. A lot of these whack MCs out there are just bird brains. Yeah, look at him, the bird brain. A lot of these whack MCs out there are just bird brains. I'm Jack the Ripper, catch the flipper, call me Jack Napier, Jesus Christ the hip-hop savior. Smash MCs like the Undertaker, the ground will shake ya. When my sound awakes, give your bird brain head a shake. I take vocab with a degree of high stakes. Fuck 9 takes, damage is what my rhyme makes. Rappers begin to be in the blind state. Find suckers hate, I'll gain exposure. My verses will super soak ya. My composure was a soldier rolling over wax like a lawnmower. My popularity will decrease lower. The record is cold like a snowing blower. My train of thought grows, demonstrating to the nation. When you're a sensation, your cocksuckers are downgrading. Kick through barricading like inheritance I'm taking. Spit on your hand before I'm shaking. Laugh it out loud to the rap crowd. Claps make your head pound. The pound for pound, fiercest MC in town, nigga. You whack MCs, why are you so lame? You whack MCs. Honestly, my majesty is logically a monopoly. Fierce heat like prodigy. Miss up this message, my apologies. Audacity of paragraphs that sound nasty. Why even ask me? A blast from the past, a wannabe MC. Quit taunting me, I'll write your ghost behind me. Fake ass rappers, asses be flaunting me. You'll never pay the cost to beat the music right on top of me. I'm fully loaded, exposed to the flows with your eyes closed inside bros. I'm a dose of coke up your nose. I'm ghetto in the holes in the clothes and the paper grows. Looking like my vapor rose. It's time for the new turn. It's time to earn. Give up the herb thought to the burn. And making the chops if you're ever concerned. Ever concerned, it's my turn. I'll heat you up like a fucking germ. And here it comes, I'm trying to rob this motherfucker. Cocksucker brother looking like your sass. And you got no motherfucking cash. Why are you so